In this video, discover how a helicopter engine works. First, meet the turboshaft engine. Air is sucked in through the intake and compressed by spinning blades. Next, fuel injectors spray fuel into the combustion chamber, igniting a hot gas explosion. This hot gas spins the turbine blades, which in turn spins the output shaft. Finally, the shaft connects to the rotor gearbox, driving the blades to create lift. Remember, a turboshaft engine spins a shaft, not a jet. These engines power helicopters, ships, and tanks, showcasing their versatility in various applications. Stay tuned for more insights into fascinating technologies.